I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to calibrate Throttle A32NX. Start by powering your throttle and placing it in the neutral detent, then load the A32NX in your simulator. Next, open the Controls or Hardware Calibration panel and identify the axis labeled throttles or thrust levers. Watch the live axis movement while you slowly move the physical levers to full travel so the sim records and points accurately and without jitter. Now perform the calibration routine step by step in a calm manner so the sim captures consistent endpoints. Enter the axis assignment, select each throttle axis, and follow prompts to move the lever from idle through to /GA to full. Repeat the routine twice to verify repeatability and adjust any small offsets in the hardware panel. Finish by saving the profile and testing with engines spooled up in a short run to confirm smooth response. Quick recommendation and a friendly nudge to subscribe, and like if you are finding this helpful, it really supports the channel. On another note, The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can change how you think about money and long-term planning, and it pairs surprisingly well with disciplined simulator practice. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If things feel off, troubleshoot calmly and methodically to avoid random changes that mask the problem. First, check physical wiring, connectors, and any USB hubs for fault signs, then retest the calibration on another USB port. Use the simulator's input monitor to watch raw values while moving levers slowly, which helps locate jitter or dead zones. Keep a saved profile backup so you can restore known good settings quickly if something changes unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.